FTSE 100 daily forecast, October 9th, fxempire.com. Looking at the FTSE, we do have reasons to perhaps be concerned. We are starting to see what could potentially, and this is a big if at this point, but potentially a head and shoulders. What we definitely can say though is that after the most recent high and the fact that we formed this shooting star, if we begin to grind lower, perhaps underneath the 5800 level, we could be seeing the beginnings of a reversal. With the global demand out there coming into question, China slowing down and problems in Europe, it's not a real stretch to think that perhaps we will go into a risk off mode globally. If that's the case, then all risk assets will be hurt, including the FTSE. We don't necessarily think that a meltdown is coming, but certainly something looks off on this chart. If we manage to break the top of the candle for the Monday session, however, this would show that we have blown past that resistance and should continue higher. Because of the nature of this market and the fact that we have, what is essentially a bit of a trend line here, we would wait until we close below the 5750 level before we could really start to think about selling this market, as obviously there are a couple spots where we could see a bit of buying. We don't necessarily think this is a reflection on the United Kingdom, rather a reflection on risk appetite in general.